Once you're ready to clean your air gel machine, spray out any remaining air gel color onto a paper towel. Pour acetone into the flow cup. Using a brush, clean out any remaining gel in the flow cup. Drop the used acetone from the flow cup onto a paper towel. Turn on your machine and pull the lever to spray any remaining gel onto a paper towel. Repeat previous steps. Pour acetone into the flow cup. Cover the nozzle end with a rubber cap, turn on the machine, and gently pull back the lever, letting the air and acetone bubble up through the flow cup. Drop the used acetone from the flow cup onto a paper towel. Repeat steps as necessary until the spray from your machine is clear.